Okay? And as you walk, just say things like, "It's all clear to me now. This is the most amazing pedagogical tool I have seen."
It's all clear to me now.
I did not comprehend the vastness of the solar system until I saw this scale model made by my teacher, Chris Murray, who was possibly one of the finest physics teachers at Tualatin High School.
I understand.
Ah, the vastness of the cosmos. Saturn, do you have any things to say about being Saturn? No. Do you feel stereotyped by your rings? No? Okay, good. Ah, the complexity. There she is, Uranus, and not afraid to hold that sign.
Hi.
This is the solar system here. So that's like the sun, and that's Pluto down there. So if you want to, like, you know, walk up and down, you could. We're doing a model of the solar system today. If you'd like to, you know, walk up and down and.
It's a long walk.
It is a long walk. There it is. Okay. Are you ready for the solar system wave? Start the solar system wave. Okay, are we ready for the wave? Start the wave! Okay, well, I'll get him to start it here. There it is, there it is. Wave, wave, wave. Hey, start again, one more time. One more wave. Let's go back inside.
Okay.
The North American barn swallow. Often nests on top of lighting fixtures. No, I'm just guessing. The sun. You always wear a bright one.
I never am. We drive the same car.
What?
We drive the same car.
I know.
How do you know?
Because you told me once. And yeah.
I'm kidding.
You guys come out here.
Hey, everybody who's in this room are supposed to be out here. I guess.
Come out here.
Isn't there like a sun on the wall?
Yes, there is.
To see the sun, it's drawn on the wall. I want to see the sun. I was always wondering if the sun.
Why?
The sun has a fire alarm on it. How endangered sun. It looks like you can eat your soul.
Eat your soul? Did you say it? You said that though so adoringly that I wasn't sure. Okay, boys and girls.
You're being attacked by Mars.
Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. So the question that is oft asked is if the let's go back to that original scale model, which has the Uranus, being the size of like a medium pizza pie and all that stuff, right? Okay, so we're going back to the size of the solar system, or the size of the planets. How big would the sun be? Well, this would be the sun. Okay, so like at home, your parents probably say don't write on the walls with magic marker, right? But here, I wrote on the walls with magic marker. They wanted to paint over. In fact, they did one year. They painted over the sun, so I had to draw it back. That'd be a cool thing, wouldn't it? Like on that wall, that facing wall out there, that big white wall. Wouldn't that be cool to draw like a picture of the sun? That'd be a lot of paint. They'd have to use scaffolds to paint it, right? But that'd be cool, wouldn't it? I don't know. Let's go back to the room and I'll tell you how far away this would be. That's the same phone I'm gonna.
That you have?
Yeah,
It
just about.
sucks now.
Does it?
Yeah, I've had it for like half a year.
Oh dear.
And I'm bored of it. And then look at the screen. Whenever I drop it, it always gets scratched in that spot. So
Oh,
I'm
dear.
not
I'm sorry.
Oh dear.
I know.
Well, no, they switched it.
Seems like a pretty cool phone to me.
Yeah,
That was
this
actually
way.
pretty tight.
Is that my paper on the...
They need to get rid of border though and trash though.
Here are 2 planets.
All right. Put your planets in the pile.
Oh yeah.
If you've got a planet, I want it back. Here we go. And AJ has volunteered to put them in order. And count them. Make sure that nobody's hiding one of the planets, right? Okay, now one last final thing. Let's suppose that one of my dreams could be fulfilled, and that is we drew an actual sun-like disk that size, the whole thing, not just part of it, right? And we did that here at Tualatin High School, and then we stretched the planets north and just drew planets that are this size, right? So the planets would be Jupiter would be you'd look at it and go, hey, what's that thing, right? This is how far they'd have to be. Mercury would be beyond the White House, beyond the fence on the White House, the one that's sort of there between Byram and Tualatin. Yeah? Okay. Venus would be between the Byram Crosswalk and Little Woodrose Park. Earth would be beyond the church at Siletz Road. Mars would be at Avery. Jupiter would be at Durham Road. So we're in Tigard now, right? Saturn would be where 217 and I-5 meet, right? Uranus would be at the Ross Island Bridge. Neptune would be beyond the Fremont Bridge, and Pluto would be in Vancouver. That's pretty good. Duggan figured that out, right? So, yeah. So you could see the sun and everything like that, but from those places, of course, you still have the same problem. You couldn't see so you can't print a picture of the solar system that's accurate, because if it was accurate, you couldn't see the planets. If you could see the sun, and it'd be too big anyway. Yeah? I don't know. There's something. Let's see.